I came to the United States, my son, and my two stepdaughters. So we were paroled, we were given an I-94 parole in to continue our court case. In December 2018, I went to the shopping complex to do Christmas shopping for my kids. And while driving, I mistakenly exited the border to Mexico. I immediately made a U-turn to come back into the United States. But at that time, I was still in removal proceedings. So I was kept in detention for 18 months, for almost 2 years, which I almost lost my life during that time because I was extremely sick. That was when I was in the detention center. So my case was denied while I was in the detention center. I appealed the case, and I was paroled again into the United States on May 1, 2020. The parole ended May 1, 2021. So I got married to a military who is in the Navy April 24th.
Great.
May 18, I got a response from the BIA that my case was dismissed. It was denied. So I've been trying to communicate with lawyers on what I should do because
it depends if they consider you an arriving alien. If they consider you an arriving alien, you would just file an adjustment with a waiver directly with immigration. If you're considered somebody who entered the United States and was admitted and then applied for asylum, you would have to get the I-130 approved based on a bona fide marriage between you and your husband, then make a motion to reopen your deportation case, which based on your humanitarian situation would probably or hopefully be approved. And then you would reopen your case before an immigration judge and then adjust your status before an immigration judge. Even if they say you entered without inspection, you're married to someone in the military, so you could always get parole in place. It all depends on the way that they ultimately inspected you. Are you still an arriving alien, or were you admitted and then ordered deported? So we would have
yes, sir. I was an arriving alien.
If you're an arriving alien, we're going to file an adjustment with a waiver directly with immigration. You do not need to go back to Board of Immigration Appeals, and you do not need to go back to an immigration judge, and we can help you. So hold on one second.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, sir.
Hold on.